Safety Toolbox Talk number 350. Safety measures for non-mechanical hazards. What are non-mechanical hazards? These hazards don't involve machinery, but they pose risks to workers through exposure to environmental factors, chemicals, or ergonomics issues. Types of non-mechanical hazards. A. Chemical hazards. Description: exposure to harmful chemicals that can cause health issues ranging from skin irritation to poisoning. Examples: solvents, acids, pesticides, and cleaning agents. Gases like ammonia or chlorine. Injuries: burns, respiratory issues, chemical poisoning, dermatitis. B. Electrical hazards. Description: risk of electric shock, burns, or electrocution from faulty electrical systems or exposed wires. Examples: faulty wiring, damaged electrical panels, wet environments near electricity sources. Working with live electrical circuits or equipment. Injuries: electrocution, burns, cardiac arrest, nerve damage. C. Fire and explosion hazards. Description: the presence of flammable or explosive substances that can lead to fire or explosions. Examples: flammable chemicals, gas leaks, improperly stored fuels, electrical faults leading to sparks near volatile substances. Injuries: burns, smoke inhalation, injuries from blast pressure, death. D. Ergonomic hazards. Description: dangers that arise from poor work posture, repetitive movements, or improper workstation setup that leads to musculoskeletal disorders. Examples: lifting heavy objects without proper support. Repetitive tasks like typing or using a mouse. Poorly designed workstations or tools. Injuries: back pain, carpal tunnel syndrome, tendinitis, muscle strains. E. Noise hazards. Description: exposure to high noise levels can lead to hearing loss or impair communication. Examples: operating loud machinery, working in factories, airports, or construction sites. Exposure to high-frequency sounds like sirens or alarms. Injuries: permanent hearing loss, tinnitus. F. Radiation hazards. Description: exposure to ionizing or non-ionizing radiation, which can cause cell damage. Examples: X-rays, UV radiation from the sun or welding. Non-ionizing radiation from radiofrequency equipment. Injuries: skin burns, cancer, radiation sickness. Safety measures for non-mechanical hazards. A. Engineering controls. 1. Ventilation systems. Proper ventilation to remove harmful fumes or gases in work areas. Example: fume hoods in laboratories. 2. Electrical insulation. Ensure electrical systems are well insulated, grounded, and properly maintained. Example: grounding wires in high-voltage equipment. 3. Fire suppression systems. Install sprinklers, extinguishers, and alarms in areas with high fire risks. Example: fire extinguishers near welding stations. B. Administrative controls. Job rotation, rotating workers to avoid repetitive strain and fatigue. Work-rest schedules, giving employees regular breaks to avoid repetitive motion injuries. Labeling and signage, proper labeling of hazardous chemicals and equipment with clear warning signs. CPPE, personal protective equipment respirators, to protect workers from inhaling toxic chemicals or dust. Gloves, for chemical handling, heat protection, or electrical work. Hearing protection, earplugs or earmuffs for environments with high noise levels. Radiation shields, for workers exposed to radiation sources. D. Training and awareness, chemical safety, educate workers on the proper handling of chemicals and the risks involved. Ergonomic training, proper techniques for lifting, seating, and workstation setup. First aid and emergency response, training workers on emergency procedures like how to handle burns, chemical spills, or electrical accidents. Thank you.